Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game ping value comparison between the iQOO 7 versus iQOO Z5 device. During this time I'll try to use the Jio SIM card 4G data only. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare this both phones side by side using the Jio SIM card or any kind of 4G SIM card but try to play the Battlegrounds mobile game. So first let me just show you the exactly what is the RX monitor application is showing, because you should know I'm trying to use only the Jio SIM card during this process. You can clearly see a Jio SIM card I'm trying to use. I'm not getting any kind of carrier aggregation in the iQOO Z5. I'm getting carrier aggregation in the iQOO 7 device. You can see there clearly in terms of the signals. And now let me to open the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. Let's see which phone has got what type of results in terms of the ping value. So this is going to be really very interesting to see. Let me turn on the ultra game mode. So ultra game mode is turned on in both phones anyway. And this is my first time doing side-by-side comparison between both of these devices. So even I am not sure how the ping value can be there between these both phones. So I don't want to make this kind of video very long and lengthy one. So I'll try to make the video really very short. So let me need to join in one lobby first. So right now both phones are connected to the same lobby at this moment. You can clearly see here. So let me need to start the map. Let's start the I think Erangel map. Let's see. Yes. Let's see friends how much the ping value can be different in these both phones if you're trying to use the Jio SIM card as an example. And right now let me need to increase slightly the brightness. Yes. So both phones are loading, and here is the iQOO 7 device and iQOO Z5 smartphone. iQOO Z5 device did connect first into the lobby exactly. You'll be able to see it, the difference. Let me need to slightly increase the brightness. Yes. So which has got the Ultra Game Mode 2.0 and Ultra Game Mode 1.0. So in this way you'll be able to differentiate what is happening between this both phones, which phone is what phone. So don't get confused between these both devices anyway. So I'm going to show the ping value what is happening. So in the iQOO 7 device on the top phone, which is iQOO 7, it's about 100 milliseconds, and the bottom phone is the iQOO Z5 is showing about 137 milliseconds. So iQOO Z5 has got slightly kind of higher ping value. If you try to look at the closely little bit sometimes. So bottom one is iQOO Z5, top is iQOO 7 device. So don't get confused friends. So again, I'm trying to mention, you can clearly see the difference. Right now I think the iQOO 7 also having a higher ping value. At this moment, it's very much difficult to say, but let's see how this both phones gonna perform a little bit kind of gameplay. So right now I'm trying to jump, and you will be able to see top is the iQOO 7 device, because bottom one is Ultra Game Mode 2.0. so top one will be the iQOO 7 smartphone. So iQOO 7 has got the higher ping value than the iQOO Z5. Wow. So 80 and 48 milliseconds at same time using same Jio SIM card at same location. And iQOO 7, yes, is getting higher ping value than the iQOO Z5 most of the time. At this moment, you can clearly see the difference how it is. So this ping value can be different from one location to other location. So don't worry regarding this one, because in my location, if I try to play the Battlegrounds mobile game, so iQOO Z5 may have the slightly kind of better advantage in the ping value using the Jio SIM card. That's one advantage which I can actually notice. So iQOO 7 has got always higher ping value than the iQOO Z5 throughout the time. Can you clearly see the difference how it is? Let me just start running. I'm trying to run at this moment. You'll be able to see clearly what is happening. So that's it friends, this is an overall quick review between both phones regarding the ping values. Now you got a clear idea what is going on in terms of the ping value. So iQOO 7 has got higher ping than the iQOO Z5. So these both are in the same lobby, in same server, should be connected. So nothing much major difference at this point. Yes, higher ping value most of the time. iQOO 7 is having the higher ping most of the time. Yes, 90% of the time. So it's not decreasing below iQOO Z5. You can clearly see friends which phone is what phone. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And this is a quick ping value comparison between both devices. And again, I'm trying to mention this can be different from one person to other person location as well. So you should keep that in mind as well. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And I'll see you in the next video. And let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.